Hello, I will show you how to set up the database file in Access. Create a new database file by clicking Add Blank Database and change the path where the file will be saved as following. Click on Browse for location to put your database and go to C. Click on Init Path. Click on www root and click on Data and change the file name. Mine is biology, and save the database file in Microsoft Access Database 2002-2003 format and click OK and then click Create. And now I will show you how to add fields in the table. Choose text and edit the field name. Mine is username. Go to the next field and next is password. Go to next field and rename it to first name. Next is for last name, and last is for email. Next, go to file and click save and rename the table to register and click OK. And before you can proceed to your Dreamweaver, you must close the Access.